In full wave rectifier, I am going to show you how to calculate the value of ripple factor, efficiency and PIV. In full wave bridge rectifier, the value of VRMS is Vm by root 2 and the value of VDC is 2 Vm by pi. So substitute these two values in a ripple factor formula. The formula for ripple factor is square root of VRMS by VDC whole square minus 1. VRMS is Vm by root 2, substitute here, and VDC is 2 Vm by pi, so each square minus 1. Vm square is Vm square, root 2 square is 2, 2 Vm square is 4 Vm square, pi square is pi square minus 1. Then the denominator part, if I take to the numerator, it becomes Vm square by 2, pi square will go to the numerator, 4 Vm square in the denominator, Vm square cancel each other, remaining is pi square by 2 into 4 is 8, pi square by 8 minus 1. So let us calculate the value of pi square by 8 minus 1 using calculator. So press under root, open bracket, so pi shift pi square is this, divided by 8, close the bracket, minus 1 is equal to, so it is 0.48. So the answer is 0.48 for a ripple factor. Now we will calculate for ripple efficiency. Efficiency is the ratio of DC power by AC power. In terms of voltage, it is VD square by VRMS square into 100. The value of VDC, just now I told it is 2 Vm by pi. So substitute here 2 Vm by pi whole square. The value of VRMS is Vm by root 2 whole square into 100. So 2 square is 4, Vm square is Vm square, pi square, Vm square by root 2 square is 2 into 100. 4 Vm square by pi square. This, if you take this to the numerator, it becomes 2 by Vm square into 100. Vm square cancel each other. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 divided by pi square into 100. So 8 by pi square into 100, I will show you in calculator. 8 divided by pi square. Shift pi square into 100. So the answer is 81.05. I have made 81.1 percentage. So then we will calculate the value of PIV. PIV is Vm in full wave bridge rectifier, because so two diodes at a time conduct during positive half cycle or negative half cycle. When two diodes conduct, the maximum voltage applied across the reverse biased PN junction is Vm. So the value of PIV is Vm in case of full wave bridge rectifier. In this way, theoretically you should calculate the value of RF, efficiency and PIV, and after conducting the experiment, compare these values with the practical values.